In today's video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide to bringing your idea online with Hostinger and Google. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each part to ensure you can follow along easily. To begin, you'll want to go to Hostinger, a popular platform known for making it easy to get your website up and running. You can find them easily online. Hostinger is great for people of all tech levels. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned web developer, it has tools that can fit your expertise and needs. Let's dive in. Once you're on Hostinger's website, the first thing you'll need to do is locate the My Account section. This is where you'll access your personal Hostinger dashboard, a central hub where all your website projects and settings are managed. Clicking on My Account will open up more options. Next, you'll want to log in using your Google account. On the login page, you'll see a button that says Google. Clicking this option allows you to sign in using your existing Google credentials, which is a brilliant way to simplify the process of logging in, keeping all your services connected seamlessly. Google Sign-In not only speeds up access but also enhances security with Google's advanced protection systems. After clicking on Google, you will be redirected to a Google account authentication page. Here's a pro tip. Make sure you choose the correct Gmail account that you want to link with Hostinger. If your account isn't set up yet, don't worry. You can quickly create one just by following the instructions Google provides. This is important for keeping separate work and personal activities, or creating a new digital identity specifically for this venture. Once you see the list of your Google accounts, pick the one you prefer for managing your Hostinger projects. This step is crucial as it directly ties the account to Hostinger, allowing smooth future logins and ensuring that all related communications end up in the right inbox. By following these steps, you've just set the wheels in motion to bring your ideas to life online. With Hostinger, getting your website launched is just the beginning. It provides additional tools like a website builder, SEO support, and even e-commerce options if you're thinking about launching a business. Remember, the key is not to rush. Take the time to explore each tool Hostinger offers while integrating smartly with those Google tools you love. It can really make your online journey enjoyable and productive. So go ahead, get started on your project, and watch how what starts as an idea grows into something tangible online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one.